Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A couple days ago I made a video regarding about Tesla would sue the Cybertruck owners who plans to sell the Cybertruck within the first year. Well, guess what? And they actually had that in the purchase agreement, and now they removed that. So as you can see right here, it's actually usually under the right here. You would see it. We would see it right here. Where's for the Cybertruck, and I can pull it up right here for use right here. See, right under no resellers, and they added for Cybertrucks only. And right now is the updated one. We no longer see that. So after I guess over the weekends, a lot of people hate it or they raise their concerns, and I guess Tesla gave in, and they removed that class. So again, now people with the early VIN numbers, they can do whatever they want with it. Just like we're going back to before, where all of if you buy a Tesla and then you drive for 2 years, and when you sell it, you still make money off of it. Maybe this is going to be the case for the Cybertruck as well. So that's the update. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.